everyone! Magandang gabi! Tonight on Learn Tagalog, let's continue learning more Tagalog homograph words, and I have another 5 Tagalog homograph words for you. Our first one is Bocas. Bocas. If you pronounce the word as Bocas, Bocas, what you mean is tomorrow. Bocas. If you pronounce the word Bocas, Bocas, it means open. Bocas, open. Bocas, tomorrow. Let's say it again. Tomorrow. Bocas. Bocas. And the other one, bukas. Bukas. Open. Example, bukas ang pinto. The door is open. Bukas. What is tomorrow? Bukas ay Biyernes. Bukas at bukas. And our second homograph word is buko. 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 Buko means the green coconut. Buko. The green coconut. If you pronounce the word as buko, buko, it means, when sa English, when someone is hiding something from you, or when someone is telling a lie and you found it out and you wanna say, you're busted. Buko ka na. Buko. Buko ka na. And the other one, buko. Buko at buko. Our third one is buwan. Buwan. Same pronunciation. It can either mean month or moon. Buwan. Buwan. Now say it faster. Buwan. Buwan. What month is it now? Anong buwan na ngayon? Tingnan mo. Ang laki ng buwan. Look. The moon is so big. Our fourth Tagalog homograph word ay buto. 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 Same pronunciation. It can either mean a seed or a human bone. So if you want to say pumpkin seed or watermelon seeds, cucumber seeds, buto ng pakwan, buto ng pipino. At if you want to say human bones, buto ng tao, buto. And our last Tagalog homograph word, our fifth one, is dala. 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 Dala means bring. Example, you have an appointment at they told you to bring an ID card with you. So the following day, when you went back to your appointment, they asked you, did you bring an ID card with you? May dala ka bang ID card? Or if you see someone carrying something and you wanna ask what that is, anong dala mo? Anong dala mo? The other pronunciation for the word is dala. 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 Dala has no exact English equivalent, but it kind of mean like in English, it's like I've already done it, and if I do it again, I already know what will happen. It's kind of like I've learned my lesson. Dala. Example, I like trying out snacks, and most of the time, I don't like it. And one time, I went to the store. I'm with a friend, and she suggested a snack for me. She said, "Oh, this looks good. Maybe you should try it." So I asked her, I said, "Have you tried it?" And she said, "No, hindi pa." So I told her, I said, "No, I'm not gonna try that. Dala na ako. I don't even know how it tastes. Dala na ako." And she said, "Why?" So I told her, last time I decided to try something and it was bad. Let's say it again. Dala at dala. Dala, dala, dala. Yan lang. That's all for tonight. More Tagalog homograph word next week. Good night na!